ekihandiko kye omu kooti bwanyuma yo kuheza okusingwa emirundi eshatu aho omuramuzi owa kooti ey'iddaara ly'okubanza omuri Kanungu yakyakire kandi ogwe guri omurundi ogwakana Kyarikunda ari kutwara okwetombeitwa omu kooti ari kurabira omuri baroya be abatwikiriza and company advocates ogunagira ngu kooti eya Kanungu ekaca orubanja yagwera orubaju Kyarikunda nagira ngo omurundi ogwabandize tibaramuherize summons ezokubanza tumwine ari kurabira omuri baroya be abana bimanya and company advocates nabo bakatwarayo okwehozaho kwabo bari kwenda ngu kooti ebagire ngu babashashure bitu ori omuramuzi owa kooti ey'iddaara ly'okubanza eya Rukungiri Gonzaka Mbakungu nagira ngu okushaba okwa tumwine bakaba batakubasa kuhurira batakahurikize okwa Kyarikunda abo kugira ngu Kyarikunda okurabira omuri baroya be bakaba batakikirize kwija omu kooti bitu nayongera agira ngu bwanyuma y'enyetwaza eya Kyarikunda hamwe na baroyazi be bari kugumana babura kwija omu kooti kikaretera habaho okukerererwa okuhurikiza kw'omushango.
I had been filed at this point. Counsel for the respondent asked for 3 days to file the reply. This court was generous enough to allow the respondent to file her reply in 6 days by 17th of July 2023 and a notice of instruction by the same date. The matter was adjourned to 21st of July when both parties appeared in court but none of their lawyers did. The matter was then adjourned to 29th of August. By 29th August, about 52 days after service, the respondent had not filed a reply. Neither did she ever apply for extension of time.
Ahabwe byona kooti etireho 17 ebyokwezi kw'ikumi omwaka ogu okubasa kukurira okwetonganaho okwa Kyarikunda orebekire omu kooti omurundi gwa kabiri bitakanga kugamba n'abanyamakuru. Kooti nayo egarukire yaragira abanyamakuru obutamutera bishani obwari omu kooti.
Be admitted in order to enable this court to finally and effectively dispose of this matter. Accordingly, the parties are directed as follows. Counsel for the respondent should file a notice of instruction in this matter before close of business today. 2. The respondent's affidavit in reply should be filed before close of business today. I am told it was filed. A rejoinder, if any, should be filed by 8th of September 2023.
Tumwine Richard owatireyo okwetombwitwa kwe omu kooti nagira ngu ashemerirwe na n'enchwamu ya kooti ari kugira ngu okongeza orubanja nikubasa kwija kurugamu ekintu kirungi.
Kushemererwa kooti yasharamu ebizoba ahubwo kuba nindeeba omushara ebitabo misho kandi kutiyo byinshi byo mu kooti nuringizi nyingi eziragireho kooti iri kururingo nyuma y'ifungwa kandi n'amasiko na hata hirya hita zaguza omushango gusinga ko ngizo ngone mara so yeze hitwa amashango ndumuramuzi yashaka gukora national discase kwa rwanda rwayigiriza
jerizeho okugamba na baroya ba Fortunate bita abana bo tibikirize kugamba kandi na Fortunate Kyarikunda na Owahenzire kugamba omukucamu orubanja okwabireho omukwezi ko kubanza omwaka gw'2023 omu kooti ey'iddaara ly'okubanza ekaragira Kyarikunda okushashura tumwine sente ziri kwingana $9,440 abo kugira ngo neziyabira mushashurire obuyabire nashoma okongera ari ebyo kooti ekagaruka yaragira ngo bashashure $1,000,000 ahari ebe byona ebyakozesibwe cyareta sente zona okwingana $10,010,000 ekintu Kyarikunda atwire na